What's the meaning of concert grand? Concert grand. Concert grand.
Concert grand. Concert grand. Concert grand refers to a specific type of grand piano that is typically used in concert performances due to its size, power, and tonal range. These instruments are typically between 7 and 10 feet in length and are designed to produce a full, rich sound capable of filling a large concert hall. The term concert grand can also refer more broadly to any piano that is suitable for use in a concert setting, regardless of its specific design or specifications. Ultimately, the goal of a concert grand piano is to provide a powerful, expressive instrument that can deliver a wide range of musical dynamics and tonal colors to audiences.